When installing and finishing Metrie Complete pre-painted moldings, it's important to use the right set of tools. When cutting Metrie Complete moldings, always use a high-quality miter saw with an 80 to 100 tooth blade. Don't force the cut. Allow the saw to do the work to allow for a crisp, clean cut. When installing the moldings, Metrie recommends using a 21 or 23 gauge pin nailer with 2-inch headless pin nails when installing the moldings, and an 18 gauge brad nailer in the door jambs when installing a door unit. The small hole created by the 21 or 23 gauge nail will allow for the easiest touch-up and best finished appearance. Along with choosing the right nail, it's important to use the right pressure on your gun as to not damage the painted surface of the trim. Typically, a pressure around 85 to 95 psi is sufficient to fully set the nail without blowing out the painted surface. However, every gun and compressor are a bit different, so it's important to test shoot some nails before you begin install to find the pressure that works best with your equipment. If needed, you may choose to apply a wood or composite adhesive to the back of the trim prior to installation, but this step is not required. If faced with an exposed end of an installed piece of molding, such as a door header, windowsill, or wall cap, you'll need to apply a coat of primer to seal the exposed end during the touch-up process. And finally, you'll need Metrie's patented accessory solutions for all your final touch-up after installation. For more information on the available touch-up accessories or their usage, visit our website, speak to a Metrie representative, or check out the other video content on Metrie's channel.